Hello everyone, I am Irfan. I'm going to explain to you about the RFID module which will be used in our project. So for this stage, we try to use RFID and test it with different card of RFID. Any card that have RFID, we try with ID card, we try metric card, and the other card, which will we get a very good response. We can detect the identity from the serial monitor, but it is said that board at COM4 is not available because I have not connected it to the Arduino. But let's go to the coding. Okay, this coding here, you need to set the pin for SS and RST, and then this is to initiate the serial communication. You can see here SPI bus initiate MFRC522, which is our RFID module, and then we'll be go into loop. So for our loop here, if this one here is present, this is nothing, but okay, when our module detect this is the identity for the card FO2CDBA4 identity for the card. When it detect this one here, it will print the message KD1, which mean card 1. When it is detecting this identity here, it will display card 2. But if anything else, it will be display access denied. Okay, so for our project, we want to combine all of our devices into one Arduino. In here, I try to use freezing, but I doesn't come up with the coding yet. We'll be solving that problem very soon in the future. Thank you.
Project prototype, which is smart bin, as we can see here, is made from a wood, and the specification is 23 cm height. So this prototype is not completely done yet because the lid is not installed here. So we want to add some mechanical features here, which is some alert cell, and we want to make a lid that can open and close. We want to put some spring and some lock here. So the ultrasonic sensor, we want also add at the in the bin, and for more convenient, we want to add some storage door here, so that when the garbage is full, we can put it out. So we also want to add some LCD here to display how many week, and RFID detector maybe here, so that the user can access the smart bin. So the prototype is halfway done, and inshallah we can complete 100% the prototype in 2 weeks time. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nur Atika. For the simulation part, we are using MATLAB software and Link application. Firstly, for the MATLAB software, after troubleshoot the codes in MATLAB code, the distance of the waves from ultrasonic sensor is displayed on the layout editor. For example, when the object is closer to the ultrasonic sensor, the output display is the same as the actual distance, as well as the object which is placed far away than the ultrasonic sensor. So, we can say that the output result is synchronized with the actual distance measurement. Besides that, we are trying to make garbage monitoring system using IoT which happen to be created in the Blink application. Thus, we are using ultrasonic sensor using ESP826601 Wi-Fi module to get the simulation. Beforehand, we are creating the hardware as shown. Freezing apps is used to display the circuit on the breadboard, as well as in the schematic design.
Hello, I am Evian. I'm going to show on how to create Blink application. To create new project in the Blink, first we have to specify the project name and select the hardware. We name our project as ultrasonic sensor and select Arduino Uno device and using USB connection type. The auth token of the project can be traced in our email, which later will be inserted into the coding of the Arduino. To create virtual pin in the Blink application, we add the value display in the widget box. Double-click to set output pin to virtual and choose pin B5. Blink app writes virtual distance value using these codes. We managed to compile the coding as shown. However, while uploading the codes to the board, there is slightly an error happened to be related to invalid library found in the system. So, there is no output found in the serial monitor and also in the Blink app. That's
Hello and Assalamualaikum. Today and right now I want to present about my current process of my project, which is the previous part. I use ESP module 8226, which is it connect to the IT platform using a Wi-Fi, but I have a trouble using the module, so I replace it with the BMOS D1R2 and Mini. So after the code and the things, so right now in this kind of coding I use DHT pin, DHT sensor, which is the for temperature and humidity, but I will replace by ultrasonic. So the first second part, which is I include the library, DHT is for the DHT11, and if I use ultrasonic, then I will use the ultrasonic library. That's all. And this is the API key that I put in all the information here, my password, my ID, and my API key for TeamSpeak. If I use favorite, the API key favorite. That's all. And I have a problem when I try to compile it. No. Okay. Alright. I try to compile it, which is the extensor error is appeared. We say the file doesn't exist, but I try to solve the problem, researching it all over the internet, and I just can't find what kind of error and try to solve. I just can't. And right now I'm still searching for the error solutions, and that's all. Thank you.